Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your DOQAUS Care headphones with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to power on your headphones by using this power button. So click and hold it and take a look on the indicator. When it turns on and starts blinking, it means that our device is simply activate and move to the pairing mode automatically. So right now on your Android device, you just have to open the Bluetooth settings, then go to the pair new device, take a look for available devices list and select DOQAUS Care 1 from the list. Now just wait for the pairing, accept the pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.